In this video, we're going to teach you something called a tuck jump. It's really going to work your power and explosiveness. It's going to get that heart rate up. If you incorporate this into a workout, you can do 10 reps, you can do it for a minute, whatever you want to do. But the tuck jump is going to involve a jump, and then you're going to lift your legs as high as you can. So you're going to jump as high as you can and lift your legs as high as you can. All right, so you're going to get a little bit of a swing to get going. You want to maybe bring those legs up, maybe hit them with your hands. That's what I do to make sure my knees are getting up. But we just want to bring those knees up as high as we can, okay? And we want to be careful. You may have to play around with it. We want to be able to land it, okay? If you have any questions about this one, go ahead and comment below. We'll answer your questions. But what we want to do, what this is going to do is work on explosiveness. It's going to get that heart rate going. So you're going to get cardiovascular benefit from it. You're going to get some plyometric benefit, some jumping skills, and you're going to get more explosive for other movements that require explosive things. So give us that thumbs up, subscribe. We love you guys. Take care.